So you are the head chef at over at our cooking school, La Cocina Que Canta, right? Which is located in our beautiful organic garden,
Yes, tres
right?
estrellas.
Right.
Yes.
But you, the ranch is an amazing place because there's generations of people that work here, and you're one of those people, right? So how did you come to the ranch?
I started working at the juice bar. That was my first position here. I started like after COVID kind of thing. I had to reopen the juice bar in that moment. So it was really fun part of my career here. I was in the juice bar for 1 year and a half almost. And then with the transition of Chef Reina to La Cocina Que Canta, I was moved to the dining hall as a sous chef in that time, and I stayed there for 3 years. So then the opportunity to come to La Cocina Que Canta was another thing, and I took it, and it was like a thing a gift for me, really, because it's just amazing to, as a chef, to be able to work in an organic garden, to work with people that care about the land, the soil, the whole foods. And in this time of the world, like when you need to take care a lot what you eat,
Wait,
what you are putting in your bodies, and very aligned to what I've been learning working in the ranch as a wellness resort, because it changed my life in a way of wellness, of course.
right. And your father works here too, right?
Yeah, my dad works here. He is a driver in the front desk, Arturo. If
Uh,
you see him, say
right.
hi.
Yeah. So
But
so
yeah,
it's
yeah, he works here, and he's ready to retire in a few months. So
uh,
yeah, we are very
right,
excited to.
right. So
Yeah,
you're the second generation.
I'm the second generation. Yeah.
We have Family Week coming up, which is our 15th annual Family Week, and you have worked five other Family Weeks, right? So tell me
Yeah.
what do you love about Family Week?
Well, I love Family Week. I love the kids. I mean, I've seen them grow throughout 5 years now.
Uh-huh.
It's amazing for me every year to see them taller and taller and just like
Hmm.
bigger and more. They're so smart. They're so into wellness. I mean, they know more than I.
Yeah.
They teach me a lot. When I
Yeah.
used to be at the juice bar, they will be like, "Oh, you should make this smoothie. You should
Right.
add this superfood to your
Right.
smoothies." Or they will suggest things. Actually, we have a smoothie that it's a recipe for one of the kids. The protein smoothie we have at the juice bar is from Zach, one of the
Oh,
kids. Yeah.
one of the kids from Family Week. That's so
Yes.
awesome. So
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
so you teach cooking classes for our guests out at the cooking school.
Yes.
Do you also teach cooking classes for the kids during Family Week?
Well, I used to teach them the smoothie cooking class, like the class of smoothie, how to make a proper smoothie, the elements of a healthy smoothie. But right now, since I've been knowing these kids for 5 years, so I'm trying to bring something special for them this family week. I want to do a fun class for them. We want to make a fiesta for them too, as well. And so there is a lot of surprises for them this year.
Do you find that they come out to the organic garden and they love the garden and they love seeing where their food comes from?
I think so. I mean, they're really intelligent kids, and
Right.
they very interested in their food. And I've seen that throughout the years because they always ask, what kind of milk are you using in your smoothie? Or what kind of ingredients? Or is that protein vegan? Or, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
their knowledge is just like beyond.
It's really cool. I find that really refreshing too, how engaged they are and about sustainability and the environment and all the
Yeah.
things the ranch cares about. They tend to care about that too.
Yeah.
So,
And what they eat.
what is a fiesta? You mentioned you're gonna have a fiesta for the kids. What is that?
I want them to live like a fiesta that we used to live as kids here in Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
That in school, you will have a kermes, that it's like a fiesta in your school. And you will have like stands of food, like street food, but we'll do
Okay.
like healthy street food for them. So maybe like elote and some paletas. And I mean, healthy snacks for them, music and a piñata.
That sounds super fun.
Yeah,
Yeah. During family week, is the food kind of traditional ranch food, or do we tweak it a little to make kids happy?
I want to make kids happy, of course. Yeah.
But so
We
we
are
tweak it,
being,
but still
sorry,
healthy, right?
it's still healthy. Uh, I'm doing recipes that usually will be really nice for them, but more healthy for them also.
So can you
Like
give
we
me
are
an
doing
example?
yeah, well, for example, we are doing a waffle from sweet potato. So no wheat. It's only baked sweet potato with some cheese. You put that in the waffle maker and that's it. It comes like really crisp. And
Uh-huh.
then you can eat that either savory or sweet. So you
Uh-huh.
can add maybe some fruit on top and then some cottage cheese for more protein. Or you can do like avocado toast with that. Like
Right.
you can do that with some avocado and some fried egg or hard boiled egg or something like that. And I know right now protein intake it's really important for them because last year it was a conversation for them like getting more tuna, getting more protein in their meals. And
Right.
they do a lot of activities throughout the day. So they need
Hmm.
good food, they need good whole foods for them to be active and feel good throughout
Right.
all the week.
Yeah, I noticed too that we have a large contingency of teenagers that are coming now
Yeah.
because they started when they were young and now they're teenagers and they keep coming back every year. But out at the Bazaar del Sol, which is it kind of we have a coffee and wine out there, but they kind of take that area over sometimes, and now we do mocktails for them, right?
As I say, I mean, they're really into wellness. I mean, they know a lot, they read about it.
Mm,
They know how many protein intake they should take. So they are aware that
mm,
sometimes they need more. So
mm.
they ask for it. And we need to be ready for that because it's part of our service. And I mean, I love to see them enjoy food. It's just like I will have like my little brothers or either even my cousins or a family.
Mm.
It's really
So
special for me.
you're in the right job then if you're a chef who likes to see people enjoy food. That's that's
Yeah.
the
So.
that's the right place for you to be. Do you have any special memories of past family weeks?
I mean, Zachary is one of the kids that invented the protein smoothie that we. It's one of the most popular smoothies in the juice bar. And then, I mean, seeing the kids when I was at the dining hall and wait for me and the door of the dining hall just to say hi. I mean,
Yeah.
that's awesome. I mean, they take the time to say hi. And as for my quesadillas, even though there are the same quesadillas that anyone will make, but they're like, no, I want Vivian's quesadillas. And I'm like, okay,
Oh,
yeah, I will make it for you. And I mean, that's for me, it's pretty special. Yeah.
no, it's super special. And I mean, I think one of the reasons they're so in touch with what they're eating, organics and exercises, because their parents and grandparents are the people that are bringing them, and they're people that come to the ranch on a regular basis as well. So it's just like
Party line.
extending the good lifestyle to the next generation. And I think that's one of the points of our family week is for us to like educate the young people as they come up. So we'll have a healthier environment, a healthier world, healthier people.
I love Family Week. I know for some people it might be overwhelming in some
Mm,
point. Like we never get kids running around.
mhm.
But for me, it's that shot of energy that
It
we need
is.
sometimes in the ranch. It changes the whole energy in the whole ranch. I mean, it's you can feel it, and it's very excited for me, and I'm very happy to have them back and now receive them in La Cocina Que Canta. So it's gonna be really fun.